What's up YouTube, Poplar Mechanic here. Today we're in this backyard and we're going to be climbing to remove 3 tower poplar trees and take 10 feet out of the remaining 2. Beautiful work, bud. Yeah, that was nice to dip, Eric.
Forks there. Yeah. Less fish around.
That was the wrong fucking tree. Jason, we need you or a guy that looks just like you. You ready, Jason?
Still, I don't know if it's gonna...
You'll let Eric kick the butt off and you can either take it out that way or take a chunk off it so it's airborne or whatever you figure. That's okay. Could let her that way too.
Right under.
Yeah, you don't want to be right under her there, brother. Oh, beauty, Eric. You seen that tickler?
That's okay.
Alright guys, so you'll notice when I'm rigging this piece here, I do have my lanyard underneath the Omni block here. Now, the best practice is not to do this. You're going to definitely want your lanyard above the rigging, but it's just when I'm dealing with these springy or smaller trees and you know, I'm not worried about the block sliding. There are times where I will in fact put my lanyard under there. It's sort of a bad habit, but at the same time, you know, anytime I'm rigging anything big or anything that has the ability to actually drag the 10x down the tree, you're definitely going to want to have your lanyard above. Is it? That's okay, we'll trim that. It should lower. So right now I just hopped over to the other tree. This tree's meant to be pruned. There's only 10 feet coming out of the top, and yes, I'm still wearing my spikes, but I was set up for the removal. So what'll happen here is I'm just sending these bigger tops out, then I end up going up these trees later and pruning them up and taking out the section that was spiked. This specific piece we're working on here has back lean. It's leaning towards me and we need it to go out the other way. So a quick little tip you can implement is just set the rigging line a little bit higher than you normally would and allow the ground men to tension up the line, and what that'll do is lever the piece into the direction you want it to go.
Here she comes. Nice work, Eric. You see, I utilized your torque to help pull it over because we're short-handed, right?
Alright guys, so now that I've removed the top of that other tree, I jumped back to the original tree with the rigging block, which was a little bit shorter, and now we're just going to negative rig these blocks to the ground.
Ready, bud?
Alright guys, so now we're in the third tree. This one's closest to the house. This is a new day. I didn't quite have time to finish because keep in mind we removed 2 other poplars with the lift truck that were right by the alley. So we just didn't have time, but here we are back today, and it's quite a bit windier than it was, but we're making it work.
Gotta let. So you had too many wraps. So it wouldn't let you lower? Ah, it might have been lighter, and I thought, no big deal, it's still good, Eric. I was hiding behind the thing anyways. Thought hurricane season was over. Atta boy, Jason. Atta boy. You're all right, mate. You're all right. Look, it's a groundsman in his natural environment. This one looks really pissed off. Oh. Okay, down, down, down. All right, mission, don't hit the house. Round, round, baby. I can go, Groundy. Good job, boys. We're just like a well-oiled machine. Just a little stick there, bye. There you go. Yeah, pull it. Yeah, hold force on it. Yeah, get it right over the fence. Perfect. Beauty.
Alright guys, so now I'm in the neighboring tree that's to be pruned, and once again I'm just utilizing the removal block to get these tricky tops out.
come. Nice and smooth. Woohoo! Beauty. That one was perfect there. I barely even felt that. Beautiful work. Those tip ties are the easiest here, just especially on these. Nope. You can't have too much on these. Practice your dip. Perfect. That's a beauty. Dude, you nosedive that nub. Ready? Nice one, Eric.